Hey there, here's my macros for the day. Stay tuned for the rest of the video to see how I ate what I ate to stay in a calorie deficit. Good morning. We have our 6 ounces of ground beef, and we're going to season with some everything bagel. We're going to put in some umami and stir it up. And because I still have, I think, 3 more halves left. So let me tell y'all, the scale has gone up. I'm eating exactly the same, but you know what I am doing different? I'm walking. So if you see your scale go up when you're walking or working out, it's inflammation. Don't freak out about it. I don't want to see it. I'm aggravated, and it's going to make me reach my goal a long way out. But anyway, it's nice, and the dogs need to walk, and I need to walk. So it is what it is. So anyway, that's the scale situation. I'm up 3 pounds, but I know it's water weight, not fat. So we'll see on Monday. It is what time? It's 11:47, and I've got 6 ounces of pork, so probably pork steak, because I do 6 ounces of its pork steak. So 6 ounces of pork steak and 2 servings of the veggies. So looks like this is the California blend because I don't see any zucchini or squash down in there. So that's what it is. It's 2 servings of the frozen California blend coffee that I made on my we're getting to it. So this was last week's meal prep. So that's what that is. So that was just the frozen veggies and the pork steak, and it's defrosted. So now I microwaved it and I'm ready to eat. So supper, this is 2 servings of this is the Normandy blend because it has the zucchini in it. So this is 2 servings of the Normandy blend and 6 ounces of burgers. These are I think they were 15 burgers. But anyway, so I'm going to salt them. I did not, you know me, I didn't salt the burgers when I cooked them. So I'm going to salt these bad boys now. Some salt. And on the vegetables, let me put a little salt. And I'm just going to use, how many servings? I only want a little bit. Okay, so I'll use 1 serving, which is 1 tablespoon of the G-Hue stir fry. Yep, it's back, baby. It's back. I don't know. I can't really tell if I did anything without it or not. So, all right. So there's a tablespoon worth, which is 17 grams. And then I'm going to use the G-Hue sweet chili. And I'm only going to use half of a serving because it's 2 tablespoons, 30 grams for 1 serving. I'm going to do half of a serving. I don't want too much. I'm going to try to not be so carried away just in case. I don't know. So I'm going to do 15 grams. Alrighty. So there we go. That's going to be my supper. Except I'm going to put some Greek seasoning on it too. I'll put a little bit of that on the burgers too. I'm here. All right, now. There we go. And I'm going to use a fork. And this is exactly how I'm going to eat it too. I'm going to go, hold up. Well, that's a little close. Watch this. I'm going to go. That's how I'm going to eat it, with a fork. Yep. And that's my supper tonight. I'll get it plugged into chronometer. That's what I'm having. Bye. Hey, no meal prep tomorrow because I got all my food. I'm going to put a little white sesame seeds in there. No meal prep The only thing I'll be doing tomorrow is a protein coffee. I've shown that in a video. I don't know if y'all would want that or not, even though I just did it last week. But anyway, so yep, that's my supper. And you have a good night.